there's never been a better time to make the jump to a full-frame digital camera. Despite the size and cost, they are the go-to choice among enthusiasts and professional photographers. In addition to DSLRs, which have long dominated the market, full-frame mirrorless cameras are lighter and more compact, and there are more options than ever before. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. Echoing the robust set of imaging capabilities, the all-new Nikon D5 begins our list. This camera comes with a rear 3.2-inch 2.36 m.2 touchscreen LCD monitor, affording clean, clear playback and live view shooting, along with an intuitive means for navigating the menu system. It is constructed from magnesium alloy and is both dust and weather sealed to enable working in the harshest of environments. In addition to benefiting image quality, the Xpeed 5 processor also affords a wealth of speed throughout the camera system. When shooting at 12 frames per second, up to 200 frames can be recorded in a single burst, even when shooting 14-bit lossless compressed NEF files. Lastly, a unique auto AF fine-tune function can be employed to ensure the best possible focus for each mounted lens. The bright 0.72 optical pentaprism viewfinder covers 100% of the effects frame for framing accuracy. Plus, the included EN-EL18A rechargeable lithium-ion battery is CIPA rated to last for approximately 3780 shots per charge in a single frame release mode. Next up on the list, we have the Leica Q2. Revolving around a revised full-frame 47.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and Maestro 2 image processor, high-resolution still shooting is possible, along with both DCI and UHD 4K video recording. Stills can be recorded as 14-bit DNG files and JPEGs. Its fast f/1.7 maximum aperture also excels in low-light conditions and offers improved control over depth of field. Additionally, optical image stabilization helps to compensate for the effects of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. Plus, it has built-in Wi-Fi. When used in conjunction with the Leica Photos app for iOS and Android, permits sharing imagery directly to a linked mobile device and also enables remote control over the Q2 and remote shooting via a live view image. However, its rear 3.0-inch 1.04 m.2 LCD features a touchscreen design for intuitive navigation and playback, as well as the ability to touch to focus. Continuing in their legacy of powerful workhorse cameras, Canon has released the 5D Mark IV DSLR, which is an outstanding still photography option and an able 4K capable video machine. It offers a newly developed 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with the Digic 6 Plus image processor to balance fine detail and resolution with low-light performance and sensitivity. Also, it uses a 150,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor to evaluate the scene and subjects for accurate exposures under a variety of different lighting conditions. Shooters can even make use of the 3.2-inch 1.62 m.2 touchscreen LCD to tap to adjust the focus point. This camera offers an improved continuous shooting rate of 7 frames per second, making it an excellent option for events and activities. Audio can be recorded using the onboard stereo microphone, or an optional external mic can also be used via the 3.5mm mic jack. Moving to an even higher resolution realm, the Sony Alpha A7R IV continues the noteworthy series of highly capable full-frame cameras. It offers an updated 61-megapixel Exmor R BSI CMOS sensor and enhanced Bionz X image processor, which affords impressive imaging results with marked smoothness. Up to 10 frame per second shooting is possible, along with the ability to record UHD 4K 30 videos, both with support for real-time IAF and tracking AF technologies. Also, it uses a fast hybrid AF system with 567 phase detection autofocus points for notably fast and accurate focusing performance. Despite being such a high-resolution sensor, it is also distinguished by its flexible native sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 32,000 for working in a variety of lighting conditions. Plus, its dual SD card slots are both UHS 2 rated for faster performance, and the inclusion of a USB Type-C port permits tethering and quick in-camera battery charging. Distinguished by its updated sensor design, The Alpha A7 III mirrorless digital camera from Sony is a well-rounded camera suitable for both photo and video applications. Its updated fast hybrid AF system employs a combination of 693 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection areas for quicker acquirement of focus in a variety of lighting conditions. And it also maintains focus on subjects more effectively. In addition to speed and AF, the processing improvements also help to realize greater image clarity and reduce noise throughout the sensitivity range from ISO 100 to 51200. This can be further expanded to ISO 50 to 204,800. Video recording capabilities have also been extended for enhanced quality when recording UHD 4K video, with the full width of the full frame sensor to minimize moire and aliasing. Moreover, it utilizes a 5-axis steady shot inside sensor shift image stabilization, which is now capable of reducing the appearance of camera shake by up to 5 stops. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Nikon D850. Revolving around a newly designed 45.7 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor and proven XP5 image processor, it is clearly distinguished by its high resolution for recording detailed imagery. The back illuminated design of the sensor can acquire greater detail and clarity when working in low light conditions, and the sensor also forgoes an optical low pass filter for improved sharpness. It affords a 7 frame per second continuous shooting rate for up to 51 consecutive frames. Also, it has an expandable sensitivity range from ISO 32 to 102,400 and 4K UHD video recording using either a DX crop or the entire area of the full frame sensor. However, it comes with a weather sealed design that is also employed to suit working in a variety of environmental conditions, and the optional MB D18 grip can be added to boost overall shooting times and continuous shooting rates.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.